Welcome back to the channel. Here's Trader Jan speaking. Today we're gonna review the 1st of December. And first of all, we're gonna review the locations which we defined for the day. Have they matched reality? How effective were those? Plus, we're gonna review the trades which I did during that day. So looking first here on the left side to the daily chart. Let me do that a little bit so we can keep the overview, because the daily chart we use to keep the big picture in mind. Now, during the last assessment, we during the market preparation for the 1st of December, we suspected, okay, maybe the market gonna go reach there and return there. That was the more the bearish version. If it goes up here, it would go further, but it looks like it just went down. Now looking at the hourly chart, it looks as if that range was, which we defined, that location which we defined was great. Then it went straight down to was 227 ticks, straight passing our other location and that location which we defined before, just a perfect hit. Then went back to the other location and here, and then up here, and then a little bit further and down to that location which we defined. So from a location definition perspective, I think that one was a real 100% hit. So here we see it on a 15 minutes chart again, went up there to that location, stopped a little here, and then that location. So at least at those locations definitely was a reaction of the market, and we could have traded those. Now, I'm doing the recording on the 7th of December, so not at the end of at the 1st of December, because I spent the last 2 to 3 weeks with developing this little colorful heat map, which is based on the market liquidity, which actually has happened on the market. I call it the Trader Jan market map. In comparison to Bookmap, Bookmap is showing the limit orders, so the intent of the market. The market map here, it shows the actual trades which happened on the market. Is similar to the market profile, which ATAS delivers out of the box. However, the difference here is you can see as well when that's happened. So in the market profile, you would, let me check that one here, market profile here, you would see there's a huge, there's here a huge area here and a huge area here, but you never know if it's relevant because it might have happened in the past. Here you see this little thing happened, and since it's cumulative volume, it was strong already here and got even stronger here. So you know that area is relevant. For the other area here, you see it's a similar volume area, but it got strong at the beginning but didn't get stronger later. So that's probably not a very good location. So that's just short way of showing the market map. I base my market analysis on that, and I'm not doing actually the last 3 weeks back-to-back market analysis and market review, because I did trades during that week even though I didn't define the market locations. So I just try to develop confidence into the way I define those locations. Now, looking at the trading chart here, where they actually the actual trades can be seen. Moment, screwing that one a little bit here. And we can activate the trades. And the trades you see here, they happens at 8 p.m., between 8 p.m. and 9 a.m., so after the American market open. So you see here in the Asian time, it was a huge move down here. And what I did here, I just did short scalping moves within based on the order flow and the market liquidity, not considering the market locations. The market locations, which I defined here, are more for intraday trades. And in the last 3 weeks, I was more focusing on scalping. So this one was a typical scalp, 4 ticks. Okay, I went out here with 0 ticks, 6 ticks, and here 2 ticks, 6 ticks. Standard would be 6 ticks. So for that one, for this day on the 1st of December, let's check the summary of the day. I was at overall plus 116 days. The 1st of December marked as well the day when I changed completely to only trading the ES market, only S&P 500. I didn't trade NASDAQ anymore. I just wanted to focus on one, want to master that one, and specifically wanting to master the scalping. And I scalped on my demo account 52 ticks, on the evaluation account 46 ticks, and on the funded account 18 ticks in the ES market. And as you can see here, not considering all the locations, even though look at that one here, I suspect that reversal on that area here, imagine if I would have just taken it until the next level, until the next location. If I would have trusted my own locations a little bit more, then I would have taken over 50 ticks for that. And here I went into that long direction here. I could have, if I look at this one here, lower lows, lower highs, I could have taken a trade to the other location because the overall market direction here was short, even though the price action here was getting into long. So within the market, within the day, the price action could change. So you constantly need to adapt. So result for the 1st of December, 116 ticks in the plus distributed to demo, evaluation, and funded account. So enough time spent for reviews. See you at the trading floor.